Alright, y'all. I'm on my motherfucking way to work at 9:26. It's gonna be a little chill POV. I don't have a video for the 14th. I recorded a POV yesterday. Well, actually, this morning when I got out of work at 5 a.m. That was for POV Monday, so I don't know what really to talk about because everything that I talked about on that video is basically you feel me? I ain't trying to repeat or nothing like that, but yeah, this gonna be a chill little POVZ. I'm not gonna try to be driving that fast. I don't know, it depends on my mood, to be honest. But yeah, I don't really know, y'all. Like this working shit kind of different. I ain't even gonna hold you. This working 2 job shit different, gang. I ain't even gonna hold you. Like I real life be like, you feel me? I real life be like struggling in this motherfucker, man. Like I be struggling and I be mad as hell to the check come type shit. Every Wednesday I be happy as hell. This Wednesday I was not happy though, cause I got fucked. I fucked myself. I took a fucking lunch break. I'm not supposed to take lunch breaks, so I took a lunch break and I fucked myself. So I missed out on 30 minutes. And if y'all know, when y'all working, 30 minutes is a lot of money at the end of the day, man. Shit, cause if you get 30 minutes of overtime, you already know how that shit be. So just imagine 30 minutes of your shift that you supposed to get normally, man. And then taxes too, man. Y'all ain't tell me about taxes, cause at my other job they barely take taxes out. This new job, cause I'm damn near working 40 hours, G, they be taxing my shit, G. I ain't even gonna hold you. I'm talking about taxing my shit. But I just hit 115,800 miles just now on this car. So oil change will be coming soon. Cause man, I don't even know. Like, damn, is my water bottle not in here? Or is it in the seat? It's in the seat. But yeah, I ain't even gonna hold y'all, bro. Like, you feel me what I'm saying? Like, man, this shit hit different. I ain't even gonna hold you. Actually, I do want to clear something up that y'all gonna hear me say in the other video on Monday, that I was gonna get my tents at the end of the month. I'm gonna wait till July now, because I just forgot that I gotta pay my registry sticker. In Illinois, every year you gotta pay a sticker. To register your vehicle in Illinois, you gotta have a fucking sticker on it. So now I forgot I gotta pay $150 to get my car registered in Illinois. I forgot about that. Then my motherfucking insurance policy is about to expire. So I have to do a new insurance thing at the end of this month, and I'm gonna have to put money down for that. So that's damn near my whole check, goddammit. Like, that shit's so fucking crazy. Then like 2 weeks later, I gotta pay fucking insurance for the month and shit. So I ain't gonna lie, tent ain't gonna come until around my birthday, which is July 25th. Because I still gotta finish my other video that I did. Y'all gonna know what I'm talking about sooner or later when that shit drop. Well, y'all gonna see what I'm talking about on Monday. I didn't really say what it was on Monday either, but y'all get the point. Yeah, but I ain't gonna lie, these motherfuckers, these lights, if a cop see me right now, G, I'm pulled over, G. I ain't even gonna hold you. Cause it's dark as fuck and all they doing is shine their lights into my car. And they gonna see me holding up a phone. Is this a cop behind me, actually? Nah, we should be straight to speed a little bit. Trying to keep this bitch up clip to make sure y'all able to see it and things of that nature, man. I know it's dark, so it's kind of hard to see anyways, but like, I know y'all like them nighttime ass POVs. But y'all, I ain't even finna cap to y'all, man. This shit been different. I don't know how long I can keep doing this shit for. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know. I'm probably gonna do this shit for like the summer. Then I'm gonna look for another job, G. I ain't even gonna hold you. I can't see myself constantly doing this shit. Really might just do this until I get my other car. Have enough for a down payment for my car, and then enough for insurance for the 6 months. Then I'm probably gonna try to start looking to get something else. Cause there's honestly warehouses that are paying like $17, $18 starting off. I just gotta find the right one. And then I'll be straight from that, because I'm only making 15 an hour right now at one job. And then 14.42 at another job. That's why the mods and the modifications and shit been a little slow. Cause I still gotta pay for gas. This bitch a VA. Y'all already know how that shit go. I'm at the gas station every 2 hours. Then, you feel me? I shouldn't have did that. That shit made this look worse. I'm at the gas station every 2 hours. Fucking insurance is like $250 a month. And then I be buying clothes and shoes and shit. So, cause I was needing, I mean, I didn't really need shoes. I got over a fuck. Y'all see the shoe collection video I did in 2023. But like, I don't really need shoes for real. But there's just some shoes that I want, that I be buying, because I be trying to make outfits and shit. Cause I ain't really have clothes. So that's why I've been buying clothes. But like, you feel me? I don't even know. I still gotta buy more clothes, like shorts and shit, cause I don't got shorts and shit. But we gonna switch this hand real quick so I can make this turn though. The fact that I'm 6 minutes into this video and I'm still right here shows I'm driving slow. Usually 6 minutes in, I'm damn near at work already. I ain't even gonna hold you. But once we hit that expressway, shit might be a little different, y'all. I ain't even gonna hold you. Depends on my mood. I don't even feel like getting to work today. That's why I'm not really even rushing for real. I ain't gonna lie. Usually I'm at work sitting for like 20, 25 minutes. I got a book on though. My fault. I just had the camera switched and shit. But yeah, trying to get another car. Trying to do what I gotta do. That's why I'm working 2 jobs. After I get this car, after I get this second car, like that's the thing. I'm gonna do mods, but while I'm trying to get this second car, like motherfucking tent and grills, carbon fiber the inside. I gotta get rims too. So those 3 for sure getting done. But I'm not wrapping my car until I get my other car type shit. So that's just something to keep y'all in mind. Like, you feel me? And there's other like tiny shit I can do too. I just can't think of it at the top of my head. Like, I can fuck around and try to do a muff delete, do a stripe pipe. Like, I could eventually do that shit. But then it's just gonna take a little bit longer for me to get my second car, and I really want my second car by winter, so I don't gotta be, you feel me, driving this fucking Chrysler 300 in the snow again, bro. That shit was kind of annoying. I ain't even gonna hold you, having to drive fucking the speed limit and shit, cause you could spin the fuck out. Cause it's rear view drive. But I tell y'all this: if I can get what I want, if I get what I want and everything is right with it, I'm not even gonna have to mod it out for that bitch to look nice for real. Like, I just gotta do like a couple things. Like, you feel me? Like the little shit. Like put a subwoofer in the back, tinted, buy the rims. You gonna get your ass. You riding in 2 lanes, bro. I see the shit I gotta deal with on the way to work. What was I talking about? I don't even remember what the fuck I was talking about. Oh yeah, I was talking about the tent and things of that nature, the rims and shit. I'm pushing this motherfucker. But my people been on my ass about driving fast, bro. I ain't even gonna hold you. I posted this video, like I said in my other POV. I'm just gonna re-say it. Like, I posted a video on Facebook because I got a photo album, say Chrysler 300. I post all my Chrysler 300 videos I take on Snapchat. All my pictures, they all go into that album. And I posted a video of me on Snapchat driving over 120 miles per hour, bro. My parents got on my ass. My brother started this shit. My brother instigated it though. Why the fuck you recording? Going 120 miles per hour. I tried to lie. I wasn't going 120. I tried to lie to his ass. I said I wasn't going 120. I was only doing 100. Oh shit. Oh, that's not a cop. I seen the thing up top, got scared. Shit, I need to get in this right lane. I think I'm riding in 2 lanes right now. I ain't even gonna hold you. Nah, I'm not. I would've heard the noise. Go ahead, get over there. On front of. I know the angles on this motherfucking video been kind of weird. It is what it is, though, guys. I'll give y'all one thing. If y'all thinking about starting a car channel, y'all thinking about doing POVs, bro, buy a tripod. I literally bought a tripod, but it's in my fucking room. I've been using it for my in my room type videos and shit. And the videos when I'm vlogging and shit in my room and things of that nature. I've been keeping it in there. So I gotta buy another tripod for my car. But I recommend if you do want to do POVs to get a motherfucking head mount and get a GoPro. I do recommend that shit because it's a lot easier. You don't gotta hold nothing. So if something do happen where you spin out, somebody hit you, you got two hands that you could use to get on the wheel type shit. Either way, I only drive with one, but it's like that worst case situation, like if I get hit or lose control of the car, I'm only gonna have one hand on the steering wheel. So that's the only bad thing about doing POVs with your phone and you don't got a holder or nothing. But yeah, if you want to do a car channel, I do recommend POVs, bro. POVs is so fun to make when you just driving your car, you feel me, vibing and shit. But I recommend doing it. If you do POVs, you want to do POVs of your car and things of that nature, I recommend doing it when you're already going out doing something. So you ain't wasting gas just driving around. That's what I do recommend. Cause like me, I usually do it when I'm going to work, coming from homework. I got 2 jobs to choose from when I do it. Or I do it when I'm driving with Blaney and we got nothing to do. We both just driving around on some cruising shit. When you come out here for the weekends, it's 2 Chrysler 300s, fucking racing, cutting up, doing 100 miles per hour on regular streets and shit. You feel what I'm saying? Shit be fun as hell. I'm trying to really give up my homie Amari. He got a BMW, man. He got a Beamer. So it's gonna be me. It's gonna be 2 Chryslers and a Beamer, man. Photos and videos coming soon, man. But I'm almost at work now. It's 9:40. Man, this shit depressing. Like, I really work from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. Then on Mondays, I work 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. Come home, sleep. Then I work again from fucking 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. So I work both jobs on Monday. As of right now, eventually I will be working multiple jobs. I'm gonna be working multiple days, like 2 jobs type shit. Once my hours pick back up at my other job. And I gotta see how I'm gonna feel about doing that shit, cause that shit gonna be a lot of work. When I did it on Monday, like, I didn't feel like shitty or nothing. Honestly, it was cool. But like that next day I woke up, man, I felt lazy as fuck. I ain't want to do nothing. And thankfully, it was my fucking day off, so I was cooling. I slept the whole fucking day. I ain't wake up till like 8 p.m. Damn, it's thunderstorming and some more shit. But I do think y'all gonna like the second car I do decide to get. I think y'all gonna like it. I honestly might not show it off to y'all until I get it tinted. Cause eventually, I don't know. I gotta see how I'm gonna do it. I'm probably won't have, like, winter. I'm trying to get it by January 1st. It's currently June 13th. And I started saving money this check. I put money aside. I got a whole savings. Porsche dealer. I forgot it's a Porsche dealership right here. But I started doing you feel me, how I'm gonna save my money, how much I got to spend, all that shit. Like, I'm really locked in for real. Like, I really need this shit to happen ASAP. And then plus it'll be easier to start doing modifications to my car. So like, if I gotta take my car to a shop to get it, a muffler delete, a tune, straight pipe, you feel me, tint, the wrap, I won't be without a fucking car for a fucking weekend or 3 days, a week, however long this shit gonna take for me to get my maintenance and shit done. So I won't just be sitting there type shit. So that's the plan with me working at Jewel and Kohl's. I mean, at this point, it's no secret, especially on social media. If you follow me on Snapchat, on my post, I'll be posting on there and things of that nature, man. So if y'all new to the channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. The POV I do currently have up is going fucking bananas. That bitch like at 700 views. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all again with another POV on Monday. It's every Monday is POV Monday, y'all. So every Monday, if you do like the POVs, come to the channel, bro. I do POVs every single fucking Monday. So just to let y'all know that. But I love y'all out of here. Appreciate the support. Subscribe. Road to 700 subscribers. And I'm out of here. Yeet bail.